I found this nostalgia MyMini GRIDDLE at Walmart for only $8. I thought it was so cute, and once I saw these pancakes that look like hotel pancakes, I knew that I needed to try this out and see if my pancakes come out to look as perfect as these ones on the picture. And if they don't, I'm gonna be upset. Now I'm gonna open this up and see what is inside. All right, here we go. First off, it's got an instructional book in here, but we don't care about that. All we care about is this mini griddle that I pulled out upside down. All right. Right off the bat, I think this looks so cute and adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's undo this and let's plug it in. It shows that it has a light. I guess I should read the instructions to see what happens with the light once it's ready. So the light is currently red or orange, as you can see. I wonder if it turns green. I need you! Alright, see, blah, blah, blah. I need pictures. Before use, wipe down all surfaces with a damp, non-abrasive cloth. I guess I should wipe it down to get, oh, it's steaming. Vape life. Ooh, it's already hot. Ooh! Did you hear that? Wow, right off the bat, this thing gets hot fast. Okay, wait, the light turned off. Does that mean it's ready? Instructions. Spray the upper and lower cooking surface with a non-stick cooking spray. I got me some Pam. Pam. All right. Now I'm going to try putting pancake mix in there because that's what I am most excited about. Okay, here it goes. Put my little bit of pancake mix in there. All right, now let's close it up. I hope I put enough. Now we just sit here and wait. What? Oh no, it turned off. Here we go. It's still raw. Do I have to flip it? This is a pretty big spatula for this, but let's try it. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, shoot. Just in advance, so you guys know, when this turns off, don't open it, because chances are it might still be raw. Is it ready? Hello? Okay, you know what? I'm impatient. Let's take it out and let's try a new one. All right, so that one came out fail. I want mine to look perfect, so I'm gonna add a bit more pancake mix to it and see what happens. Is that enough? Maybe a bit more. Okay. Now that looks better. Let's close it and see what happens. Recipes, here we go. Old-fashioned pancakes, it gives you a whole recipe. Breakfast sandwich? English muffin, hot ham, and cheese. Mini quesadillas. Crab cakes. You make crab cakes in here? Giant chocolate chip cookie. And for the ingredients on the giant chocolate chip cookie, it just says 1 cup of cookie dough. So I'm guessing you get that store-bought. All right, let's take this bad boy out now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It did not. Do you guys see perfectness? It is very hot. Ah! Don't touch it. Up next, we've got chorizo and egg pancake. But it's not a pancake because it's just made with egg, so it's just an egg pancake. So we're not mixing pancake batter into it. Got that? Got that good. All right, we got us some chorizo here and an egg. And I'm gonna mix them in here and then I'm gonna pour them into my griddle. How much is good enough for an egg? I don't like spicy things, so is this too much for an egg? I don't know, I guess we'll find out. That looks like a lot. Usually you cook the chorizo first, but you know, it's my mini griddle and I can do whatever I want. Should I add a bit of milk? I think so. Get you some whole milk, and I'm gonna put this in here. Alrighty, here we go. In the egg goes. I think that's enough. Is that enough? Yeah, that's enough. All right, and now we wait. Yeah, that's right. Your girl Jessica is a professional chef with MyMini GRIDDLE. I can make things look perfect and totally restaurant worthy. Pretty soon, they're gonna be having all of these MyMini GRIDDLEs in their restaurant because of how good it looks when I cook it. Now all the chefs want to be as good as moi. Oh my gosh, look, it's poking out. I think I put a bit too much egg because it's huge. Oh, whoa, did you see that? It deflated. When I lifted it, it deflated. It keeps deflating whenever I lift it, like, and then I lift it up and it's like, lift it. While I wait, let's read a verse from this thing in Spanglish. Is that Spanish? Let's go read some recipes. Pancakes? Wait, I don't think I said that right. Pancakes antiguos. Sandwich para el desayuno. I know some of these words. Panecillo inglés caliente con jamón y queso. That is a ham and cheese sandwich. Okay, let's check on this now. Should I take it out now? I think I should. Okay, let's take it out. And let's flip. Guys, even that looks pretty perfect. It looks a little old and wrinkly like some people. But this looks so perfect and round and circular. I kind of poked a hole in it. I think this is the best thing that I've invested my money in. Now, let's try for a grilled cheese sandwich. To keep in that circular theme, I think I'm gonna cut these into circular circles. So I got some butter here. I'm just gonna scrape it onto one side. And we'll put some slices of cheese on there, like so. This is gonna come out so good. All right, now let's place it. And let's close it.
A few moments later.
Sneak peek. That's all you get. Oh, look at the cheese! It's sizzling out. Oh no, it's gonna hit the... Wow, okay, I think it's ready. Ooh. Oh no. Okay, let's take this baby out. Stop. What the hell are you talking about? I don't want crusty cheese for later on, so I'm gonna wipe it off now. You see that cheese? How much it melted? That's like a strand of hair. I almost threw up. That tasted like a hair in my mouth. Look at my professional dishes here. They are all in the circular theme, but the pancake by far is my favorite. Like, I can't talk about how perfect this looks enough. Tastes pretty good. You know what it tastes like? Tastes like a pancake. Let's cut out a little sliver. That is delicious. This would be perfect for a gift for your kids or for anyone because this thing is amazing. Grilled cheese sandwich. The butter, the cheese, the bread, the toast. That is to die for. I want to really try making a hamburger in this or a cookie. By the way, guys, this video is no way sponsored. I just thought that I would get it and try it out, and I am impressed. And I wish I was sponsored right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment and tell me if you got this because this is amazing. And I will see you guys in the next video.